Thank you for buying this 15879 splatter screen from Fixture Displays. The splatter is 13 inches in diameter. The handle is an extra 6 inches and width about 1.4 inches for the handle. The diameter being 13 inches would fit most cooking utensils in your household. That would work for anything 13, 12, 9 inches cooking pans or frying pans. The mesh is fairly dense, that will keep most oil droplets from escaping. The handle is heat resistant and comfortable to hold. There are two sides to this screen. One is flat, the other side have the wires at the bottom with different feet positions. You can use this either way, in either facing. My personal preference is to have the flat side face down. In this video, we have the flat side face up. That will work just as fine as long as that fits your particular needs. This would stop 90%, if not more, of the oil splatters, especially the large and high velocity droplets that can hurt your skin or your clothing. If you want further remove the oil droplets from escaping, use a paper towel. This is an excellent product, a must-have for cooking and kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.